A church without the Holy Spirit is not a church.
ibandla elingenamoya oyingcwele akulona ibandla
Because the church belongs to the Holy Spirit,
ngoba ibandla likamoya oyingcwele
not to any human institution.
akusilo muntu.
God?
But God has selected for his purpose the foolish things of the world.
The foolish things of
Izinto ezibula zezwe.
Look angeke ube foolish. Umuntu foolish. Speaker siko foolish. Umuntu oba. So it means God comes.
Okusho
Kuba lo dom la kule family. Yeah? Kuba lo dom mara la kule family abamnyazayo. Abaza abantwana lapha dom. Phuma namafenyila uyahawulisa. Nina nimbhekile lo feyila lo. Kanti uNkulunkulu ubheke. Laben enibabekele phezulu ukuthi yo hey lona hey uNkulunkulu ngifuna lo because this one inkazimulo yami izobonakala. Now you have to understand
Manje kumele uqonde.
there are things that happen in your life
Kunezinto ezenzeka empilweni yakho
and you confuse them as troubles.
bese uzibona ngathi inkinga.
Kanti uNkulunkulu usivumele so that he can select you. You are being rejected, you are being raped. Yonke lento. Uthi mara why empilweni yami kwenzeka so? The eyes of God are on you.
Amehlo kaNkulunkulu akuwe.
He uses that pain to finish you completely.
Usebenzisa lokho obuhlungu ukuthi aqede.
Yes, libuhlungu ipain. But do you know God uses pain ukubulala into azoyisebenzisa? Libuhlungu ne? God uses pain
uNkulunkulu usebenzisa ubuhlungu
to finish you
ukusa kubulala
for his purpose.
ngenxa yecebo lakhe
To open your eyes.
ukuzavula amehlo wakho.
He uses troubles.
Usebenzisa inkinga.
And now uzobona ngathi hayi mina nginesiqalekiso kanti mawungacheka kahle uNkulunkulu day well done. That's where I want you.
uNkulunkulu
Go
uyaqoma
on.
uthi qhubeka.
Thina. Wena uyakhala ngathi ngiloyiwe mina hayi why into zami so? Check when God has selected you become special.
Bheka uNkulunkulu makakhetha uba
Awufani nabanye
ngokhethiweyo.
abantu. God
But God has selected for his purpose the foolish things of the world to shame the wise.
to shame the wise.
Ukuhlazisa lokho okuhlakaniphile.
So John 9 the wise are saying are we also blind? Are we also blind?
Asiboni.
Because umuntu lo abeka ngabona. Are we also blind? Lo
Asiboni.
ozelwe angaboni. Bona bazelwe babona. But bavalo yini amehlo? Wisdom of this world.
Ulwazi lwalomhlaba.
Wisdom of?
Ulwazi
So you don't
lomhlaba.
want to be a Christian who's blinded by your own wisdom. You don't want to be a Christian who's blinded by the wisdom of this world.
Awufuni ukuba umzalwane ovale ubuhlakani balomhlaba.
Rather choose to be blind
Uqona ukukhetha ukungaboni
so that Jesus can open your
ukuze
eyes.
uJesu avule amehlo akho.
Rather choose to be sick
Uqona ukukhetha ukugula
so that your sickness can attract him to heal.
ukuze ukugula kwakho kukuhehele kuye.
That's why he says, I did not come for the clean, I did not come for the healthy.
Yingakuthi angiselanga laba abahlanzekile nabangaguli.
I came for the dirty and for the unhealthy.
Kodwa ngisele laba abangcolile
So it
nalaba
means
abagulayo.
sometimes now gula, you will think, and that's why Jesus says, I want to come to you. I want you to know me. But because now gula, doctor. There are some sicknesses you will never remove them. They are leading you to Jesus Christ.
Kunokunye ukugula engeke ukususe kukuholela kuJesu.
There are some situations, no matter what you do,
Kunezinye izimo nanoma ungayenza
it will never change until you go to Jesus.
angeke siguquke uze uye kuJesu.
Ugcine sewuthi ngiphelelwe maplano wonke. Then you come to Jesus. All I know, I did not see, but now my eyes are open.
Mawuza kuJesu konke ongakwazi ukuthi bengaboni.
God,
The foolish things of the world to shame the wise, revealing their ignorance.
eh? Now they are ignorant. Are we also blind? Are we also blind?
Asiboni.
Ignorance. Are we also blind? Jesus was born at ignorance. They can't can't see Jesus, they can't see the miracle.
ababoni isimangaliso,
Are we also blind?
asiboni yini nathi
Ignorance of
ukunganaki
spiritual things,
kwezinto zikamoya,
yet carrying experience
kodwa uphethe ulwazi
that has turned to experimenting.
lo lokuguqukile kwaba